Hi, my name is Ramyasri and my team members are Suchitra, Rohini, Shweta and Sneha Kuchana. Our project is on efficient relevance feedback for content-based image retrieval by using navigation patterns. Abstract. The main idea behind our project is to retrieve relevant images for a given query image using CBIR techniques. Images are retrieved based on the features such as color and texture. For color-based retrieval, color histograms are used, and for texture-based retrieval, Euclidean distance algorithm is used. From a large database of images, relevant images of a given query image are retrieved with high precision. Problem statement. First, in terms of redundant browsing, most existing RF methods focus on how to earn the user satisfaction in one query process. Relevance feedback treats the retrieval session as repetitive query reformulation operation. Through successive human-computer interaction, the query descriptive information is repeatedly modified as a response to the user's feedback on retrieved results. Although a number of relevance feedback have been made on interactive CBIR, they still incur some common problems, namely redundant browsing and exploration convergence. Proposed systems. CBIR presents an image conceptually with a set of low-level visual features such as color and texture. These conventional approaches for image retrieval are based on the computation of the similarity between the user's query and images via a query. Navigation pattern based relevance feedback (NPRF) to achieve the high efficiency and effectiveness of CBIR in coping with the large-scale image data. In terms of efficiency, the iterations of feedback are reduced substantially by using the navigation patterns discovered from the user query log. In terms of effectiveness, our proposed search algorithm NPRF search makes use of the discovered navigation patterns and three kinds of query refinement strategies: query point movement, query reweighing, and query expansion to converge the search space toward the user's intention effectively. By using NPRF method, high quality of image retrieval on RF can be achieved in a small number of feedbacks. The feedback procedure called relevance feedback repeats until the user is satisfied with the retrieval results. Software used: language Java, Java Servlets; frontend Java Servlets; backend MySQL; web server Apache Tomcat. Accomplishments. What was accomplished was a software application that retrieved images based on the features of texture and color only. Color extraction and comparison were performed using color histograms and the quadratic distance algorithm respectively. Texture extraction and comparison are performed using an energy level algorithm and the Euclidean distance algorithm respectively. Color. One of the most important features that make possible the recognition of images by humans is color. The main method of representing color information of images in CBIR systems is through color histograms. A color histogram is a type of bar graph where each bar represents a particular color of the color space being used. An example of a color histogram in the HSV color space can be seen with the following image. First image shows the query image and the second image shows the histogram generated for the corresponding image. Texture. Texture is that innate property of all surfaces that describes visual patterns, each having properties of homogeneity. It contains important information about the structural arrangement of the surface, such as clouds, leaves, bricks, fabric, etc. It also describes the relationship of the surface to the surrounding environment. Texture properties include coarseness, regularity, roughness, directionality, contrast, line-likeness.
This slide shows the output screen of our project. In this, we can browse the required query image as shown. When we click on the search button, three indexes are generated. First is statistical index, second one is parallelogram index, and third one is global index. If we click on statistical index, relevant images to the given query image based on color are retrieved. If we click on parallelogram index, next page appears with Euclidean distance and chi-square distance. Clicking on Euclidean distance, distances between query image and the retrieved images can be seen. Clicking on global index, images based on global color histograms are retrieved. Images can be seen on the screen. Conclusion. CBIR is still a developing science. As image compression, digital image processing and image feature extraction techniques become more developed, CBIR maintains a steady pace of development in research field. Furthermore, the development of powerful processing power and faster and cheaper memories contribute heavily to CBIR development. This development promises an immense range of future applications using CBIR.